This is a Bellagio floor plan at Ocean Hills Country Club, a 55 and over community in Oceanside, California. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, 2-story, has a nice courtyard in the front. Courtyard approaching the front door. And we enter the front door into a great room, which is comprised of dining room and living room. This one has a beautiful gas fireplace. And this home also happens to be on the golf course on the 18th hole here of the country club. So back through the dining room towards the kitchen. This kitchen entrance has been enlarged. The original floor plan just had a pass-through door. They've opened it up, which was a fantastic idea. Tons of cabinet space in this Bellagio floor plan. Nice sized kitchen. Just off the kitchen is the laundry room, which also has some pantry space in it as well. The kitchen looks out into the courtyard as you come in the front door, and there is space for a small dining table in the kitchen as well for an eating kitchen. Garage entrance is through the kitchen. Two-car garage. This home has lots of storage in it as well. Exiting kitchen, we go into the hallway. This hallway serves what I would call your public bathroom, which is the half bath here in the hallway. Storage closet here. And then we enter into the downstairs master suite. There's a closet on this side, also a closet on this side, and then into the downstairs bedroom, also looking out onto the golf course. This home has some built-in cabinets. They don't all have these built-in cabinets, but there's plenty of space to do so if you desire. And this is the ensuite bathroom, double sink. Again, there's the closet. And then here is the step-in shower and bathtub. And back out into the hallway. Here's the front door entrance again. Dining room. Living room. And then we head upstairs. At the top of the stairs, we have a loft, typically used as an office or a TV room. There's also a deck off of the loft, looking out over the beautiful golf course. And then to the upstairs master bedroom. It's a rather large bedroom. From the bedroom over to the ensuite. Got a walk-in closet here on your right. Sizable walk-in. Again, dual sinks. And your bathroom and shower. Back outside again at the front door entrance, we'll continue around the back to the garden area. And this one's the golf course view. So around the side of the house. So here is the back. We do have a covered, that's the loft upstairs, the deck off the loft upstairs. And you have a covered area in case it's raining. And then some beautiful views from this home. There's some golfers way out in the distance, and there's some maintenance guys working on the greens here on the 18th green. So that is your Bellagio floor plan at Ocean Hills Country Club.